Today I will create a little competition for the 3 scalping robots I'm currently trading. They will all trade simultaneously for 2 weeks on $200 live accounts, so we can compare them directly and see which one will be the winner and the number 1 trading robot for a small account. First, I have the gold investor that already made some decent profits in the account. You can see a profit of $38.56, and that's it, a small $200 account. Then on my other VPS, I have the Happy Gold on a brand new account. You can see that it executed just 2 trades, and the third one is trading currency pairs, so it is called the Forex Diamond. I have it on a small $200 live account, and it achieved $44 as a profit. You can see plenty of profitable trades in my account history, and I'm recording this video during the weekend, so I will restart it on Monday. And to be precise, this would be the 11th of March 2024. So for 2 weeks or 10 trading days, we will see what the results will be after the 22nd of March. So this will be a fair competition, and of course I have selected scalping robots because you cannot really trade grid martingale systems in $200 live accounts. So if you're ready, let the games begin, and I will see you in 2 weeks time. And I continue after 2 weeks, so let's see which one of the expert advisors made the most profits. First, I have the Forex Diamond, and initially it made a great profit and just recently is going sideways, but overall it made $48.54. Then I have the Happy Gold, which made just $17.52, but you can see a very steady balance chart going upwards. And third, we have the gold investor with a very promising balance chart, and you see that it has a closed profit of $90.01. But because I said that I wanted to be a fair comparison, let's see exactly how they performed in the last 2 weeks. So what I will do, I will go to stats for the gold investor, and I will click on filter. I will select the 11th of March, and as a net date I will select the 25th of March. I will filter the results, and we'll see the profits it made during these 10 trading days. Now if I click on strategy, you will see that there are actually 2 strategies with the Forex Gold investor. The first one had 5 trades, the second one had 9 trades. The net profit with the first strategy is on a small loss of $2.19, and the profits come from the second strategy with nearly $48, and overall we have $45.80. Now let's see how the Happy Gold performed in these 10 trading days. So I'll go back to its statistics, I'll click on stats, I'll click on filter, and I'll select end date to be the 25th. It started trading when I was recording the first part of this video, but have you seen a profit factor of 176.20? Let me go to strategy, and you will see that there were 15 trades. The gross profit was $17.62, and the gross loss was just 10 cents. So it's a small profit of $17, or overall we have $17.52, but from 15 trades it had a loss of just 10 cents. This is remarkable, and in a minute I will share with you exactly how it works on the MetaTrader platform. Now let me go to the Forex Diamond as well. I will also filter it for the last 2 weeks. I'll go for the 11th as a start date and the 25th as an end date, and you will see that right in the strategy we see a total net profit of $1.07, just because recently it is going up and down. But overall I am on profit with this small account that started trading early in February. And before I show you how the Happy Gold works, let me tell you that if you want to trade scalping gold robots, you need a regulated Forex broker that has a super fast execution speed, just like Black Bull Markets that I am using. And this broker is really suitable for scalping robots. They offer a lot of assets and platforms, and you can start with a small account indeed it with their ECN standard account type. It's super comfortable because once I fund my wallet with Black Bull, then I can separate the funds among my accounts, and I'll show it to you. So right now, if I click on login, you will see that here are my live accounts that I have. You will see 5 different accounts. In one I have 290, that's the gold investor. I have one with 192, Forex Diamond with 249. The Happy Brexit is a new robot I'm trading on $1,000 new live account, and the Happy Gold with 217. So if I want to move funds from one account to the other, it's just a matter of a few clicks, and it's super comfortable to manage your accounts. And if you want to add funds to it, there is a variety of funding methods which you can use and then move your money to the account you want to trade. However, if you are testing a scalping robot for the very first time, I would suggest that you start with a demo account. I'll leave the link down below in the description to Black Bull Markets. I've been using them for probably over 2 years now, and I never had a problem with that broker. Now, as I said, I want to show you how the Happy Gold is trading, and you can see that right in here, back on the 22nd of March, this is the trade that opened at 10 past 3 p.m. or it is this one over here. What it does is basically it puts a pending order above the very recent highs, and once the price triggers, it places a tiny take profit and a bigger stop loss, and the trades usually last a few seconds or minutes, and you can see that this trade was closed in here. Same thing happened here. A pending order was placed above these stops and the trade was immediately closed, and you can see some small profits, but remember that I'm trading in this account just 0.02, and if I scroll through all of the trades, you will see that there is actually just one losing trade with negative 10 cents. And actually I am planning to move the Happy Gold on a bigger account after seeing these results, but don't take that as a recommendation. Start small, or as I said, start on a demo first. Next, I want to show you the Forex Diamond that brought me overall $49.96 in this small account, and you can see variety of trades. A long trade was closed right in here, a second long trade was closed in here, but if I actually go to the expert properties, you will see that there are a few signals. Signal number 1, signal number 2, and signal number 3. And actually, if I move through the chart, you will see that sometimes the expert advisor is quite active, and there are times when there are no trades. And the winner overall is the gold investor. I say overall because it made the most profits in my small accounts, and it made the most profits as well for these 2 weeks. It's trading on M15 chart, and you can see a short trade was open in here and it was closed in here. Then a long trade was open in here and it was closed in here. I honestly have a hard time understanding how this strategy behind the robot works, because the only thing I can see is the trades being opened and closed, but they are being opened and closed on a profit. So here is a long trade that closed in here, which is the most important at the end of the day, right? And if I show the account history, you will see that overall it made nearly $100, and I can show you all of the results. I am trading it and all of the others with the minimum quantity, and this is what I would suggest you to do if you are trading a small account. However, it's a personal choice, and don't take any of the information from this video as a piece of financial advice. Check out all the links down below in the description to the expert advisors I am testing, and actually we've made our accounts in the academy public, so if you click on live trading, you will see the results from the expert advisors on which broker we are trading them, on what account size, and what is the current profit or loss. So if you want to know how the Forex Gold investor is performing at any moment, you can check the track record and you will see the results. I believe this work from me and my team will save you a lot of time testing different expert advisors, and of course it will minimize the risk for you, so you can make an informed decision which expert advisor you want to trade in your accounts. And as well, in the forum, in the Academy, we have added the live trading results, and if you're interested in a particular robot, you can ask questions, share your experience, or at least meet fellow traders and my team members. As always guys, I thank so much for watching and staying with me until the end, and before you go, check out this video on my site to learn more about the winner from today's challenge. And this is the Forex Gold Investor. As always, trade safe, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.